Welcome, my friend. Welcome to this quiet space. Before we begin our journey tonight, let us take a moment to settle into the present. The day is behind you now. Everything you had to do, everything you thought about, and everything you carried. It is all finished. You have arrived at the end of the day, and there is nothing left for you to do but rest. Take a long deep breath in, filling your lungs with cool, clean air. Hold it for just a moment, and now let it go. Exhale completely, realizing all the tension from your shoulder, your neck, and your mind. Let your body sink heavier and heavier into the soft comfort. Imagine a soft golden light surrounding you, creating a safe blanket of peace. With every breath you take, your eyelids feel a little heavier. Your thoughts begin to slow down, like gentle waves touching a quiet shore. Tonight we are stepping away from the noise of the world. We are going to a place of absolute peace and silence, a place hidden between the earth and the sky. Welcome to this. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, ancient forest. The sun had set long ago, leaving behind a night that feels warm, soft, and completely safe. You are walking down a narrow pathway made of soft, green moss. The earth beneath your feet feels cool and comforting. As you walk, you notice the gentle scent of lavender and damp pine needles floating through the cool night air. The trees around you are tall and magnificent, their ancient branches swaying very slowly in the midnight breeze. They seem to whisper a gentle welcome as you pass by. The sky above the trees is a deep, velvety indigo, so dark and pure that it looks like endless silk. Tiny fireflies floating lascious around the bushes, glowing with a soft, warm amber light. They move like little lanterns, guiding your way. With every single step you take down the path, a layer of worry lifts away from your mind. Walk slowly, breathe gently. You are stepping deeper into comfort, and your body feels lighter and lighter with every passing moment. At the end of the mossy path, the forest opens up a quiet, peaceful clearing on top of a hill. Standing before you is a beautiful, circular building, the glass observatory. It is built from ancient, smooth silver, a stone that reflects the soft light of the moon. It roofs a massive dome made entirely of crystal clear glass. You walk towards the heavy wooden door, which opens smoothly and silently just for you. As you step inside, the outside world disappears completely. In the very center of this grand room lies a large, luxurious couch covered in thick, dark blue velvet pillow and warm, heavy blankets. You walk over and lie down, pulling the soft blanket up to your chin. It feels incredible, cozy, and perfectly warm. As you look up towards the crystal dome, as you're taken away by the view, the entire universe stretches out above you. Millions of tiny silver stars are blinking softly against the dark sky. They look like diamonds scattered across an endless black ocean. The moonlight streamed down through the glass, gently touching your face and washing away the very last bit of tiredness from your muscles. As you lie perfectly still under the glass ceiling, a low, beautiful sound begins to echo through the century. It is the sound of the universe, a deep, gentle hum that feels like a warm embrace. It sounds like distant ocean wave mixed with the soft music of a silver harp. This cosmic lullaby vibrates softly around you, relaxing every nerve in your body. Your breathing naturally matches the soft rhythm of the music. Inhale peace, exhale tension, inhale stillness, inhale the past. Look up at the star. Notice how they don't rust. They simply shine, steady and calm, moving perfectly through the night. One beautiful large star directly above your clothes, with a shooting, warm golden light. As you watch it blink, it feels as it is sending a message directly to you. It is telling you that you are safe, you are loved, and you have done enough for today. You don't need to plan for tomorrow right now. The moment belongs completely to rest. Your eyes feel so heavy now, at most impossible to keep open. The silver light of the moon begins to grow silently dimmer, turning into a soft, protective shadow. You feel a wonderful sensation of weightlessness, as if the velvet cause is floating up into the quiet night sky. You are drifting, floating gently among the soft dark cloud. The whispering star whisper on last time, sleep, just sleep. Your mind is completely clear, like a still lake under the night sky. The dark universe holds you safely. Every breath you take in slow, deep and perfectly rhythm. The quietness of the room wraps around you completely. Fall down into the deep, beautiful darkness. Let go of the confusing world. Let yourself drop into the most peaceful sleep for you have ever known. Drifting deeper and deeper. The night is quiet. The world is asleep. Sleep now, my friend. Deep, restful sleep. Good night.